What we're going to do is we're going to help out with range of motion and for stretching out to increase your postural position. So from here, you're going to go ahead and lie down on the foam roller. Make sure that your butt's all the way at the end and your head is supported. Bend your knees up so your feet are touching the floor. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into 3 positions. First is out on a T. And then we're going to go to Y. And then we're going to go to the I position. So you're going to hold those for about 5 to 10 seconds a piece. And then you're going to go back through it again. T, Y, and I. Want to make sure that your shoulders are down the whole time. Your stomach is tight, low back against the foam roller. You should feel a nice stretch across the chest and in your upper back as well too. So you can go through this about 10 times a piece. After that, you should feel stretched out. And those were some posture exercises to help you with the upper back pain. If your symptoms continue to persist, please call your medical professional.